Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. What do we call the process of breaking down numbers into its simpler parts to perform more simple mathematical operations? The answer is decomposition. Decomposition is the process of breaking down numbers into simpler parts so that we can perform more simple mathematical operations. Try to add this using decomposition. The answer is 1,585. So how did we arrive at this answer? So what we can do is we can convert these numbers into their decomposed forms. So 1,230 becomes 1,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 0, while 355 becomes 0 because there is no thousands place, plus 300 plus 50 plus 5. Let's put a line here and then add each of the places. So 0 plus 5 gives us 5, 30 plus 50 gives us 80, 200 plus 300 gives us 500, and 1,000 plus 0 gives us 1,000. So this is now the value of each of the places of our new number. So we can just put a plus sign here, which gives us 1,585, which is the answer to this problem. Try to do the subtraction operation below using decomposition. The answer is 5,543. So how did we come up with this answer? By doing decomposition, we write these numbers into their decomposed forms. So 7,875 is equal to 7,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 5. And 2,332 is equal to 2,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 2. Now this is a subtraction operation. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract these numbers from these numbers. And let's put a line here to separate the answer from our decomposed numbers. So let's start from the ones place. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 70 minus 30 is 40. 800 minus 300 is 500. And 7,000 minus 2,000 is 5,000. So these are actually the values of each of the places of our new number. So we can just put a plus sign between these values of each of the places. And if you add these together, we get the answer to our question, which is 5,543. And that's it for now. Remember to keep on practicing your math skills with our sample exercises and workbooks. See you then.